If you struggle with knots, tangles, or shedding during detangling, this DIY marshmallow root detangler can make a huge difference in your wash day routine. This recipe is lightweight, moisturizing, and perfect for coily, or dry hair types. So if you're ready to make a natural detangler that softens hair and improves manageability, let's get started. So guys, here is our boiled marshmallow root and flaxseed. I add 4 tablespoons of flaxseed and 6 tablespoons of marshmallow root into 2 cups of water. Boil it for 10 minutes, let it cool for 5 minutes, and now I'm straining it. Marshmallow root is known for its incredible natural slip. When boiled in water, it releases a slippery substance called mucilage. This mucilage coats the hair strand and reduces friction. That means there's going to be easy detangling, less breakage, softer hair, more manageable curls, better moisture retention. It is one of the best natural ingredients for making detangling easy without harsh chemicals. Combining marshmallow root and flaxseed gel together creates a potent natural detangler. Now we're moving on to our next ingredients, which is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is excellent for moisturizing the hair and soothing the scalp. It helps to add hydration, improve shine, reduce dryness, strengthens the hair strand. Now on to our next ingredients, which is DL-pantenol. It improves moisture retention, increase flexibility, and adds shine. It's often used to help with thinning hair or split ends. Guys, if you've watched this far into the video, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for all of you who have already subscribed. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now we're moving on to our next ingredients, which is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is our best secret for to adding moisture to our hair. It's a humectant, meaning that it draws moisture. It draws and keep moisture in our hair. It helps to soothe the hair cuticles, leaving it more softer and manageable. Guys, the measurement as well as the ingredients used in this detangler will be listed in the description box below. Now we're just adding our essential oils. This is optional, but I am adding rosemary essential oils and peppermint essential oils. Rosemary essential oils, it helps with hair growth. Peppermint essential oils helps with the scalp circulation. And now I'm just adding my preservative because this is more than what I will use for today to detangle my hair. If you're going to use all of this detangler in one day, then you don't have to use a preservative. But because I won't be finishing this detangler today. That's the reason why I'm using a preservative. And guys, if you don't want to use a preservative, please ensure that you keep this detangler in the fridge, and you can use it up to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I would not encourage you to use this detangler because you know that everything that is made with water, even though we make this with distilled water, we're still going to need a preservative because once you make something with water, it's going to grow mold and bacteria. So this will give you extreme detangling slip, softer hair, and it will make your detangling part of your wash day so easy. Now, this is me just showing you how to apply the detangler to your hair. You can also use this as a leave-in detangler, but at the moment, this is me starting off my wash day, and I am just using my marshmallow root detangler to detangle my hair before I start washing my hair. Because when you detangle your hair before you start your wash day process, which is shampooing, it makes your hair so much easier than when you go in with all of the tangles and then the water touch your hair. That only makes the tangles much harder to get out. So if you're using a preservative, this detangler can last up to 3 months. So guys, I'm just going through my hair in sections, and as you can see, I am just finger detangling my hair, and then after that I will go in with my brush. You can all with my detangling brush. You can also use a comb, a white teeth comb to detangle your hair, or you can finger detangle all the way through your hair. But I had my hair in braids, and I had the braids in for like 3 weeks. So my hair needed a good detangler, because after this I am going to put it in a wash and go style. So yeah, I'm thoroughly detangling my hair. And if you want to use this as a leave-in detangler, you can just spray it on your hair, detangle your hair, and then you continue the rest of the process. Like you add your, if you're using your cream, you add your cream. If you're using your oils, you add your oils. If you're using butters, you add your butter to seal in the moisture from the detangler that you just add to your hair, and then you go about your style as usual. So guys, I'm just going through my entire hair, as you can see, and I'm just spraying it and then detangling it all the way through until I am done detangling my hair. By using this detangler, you'll notice less breakage, easier detangling, softer hair, reduced shedding. This detangler, it works great for wash day, protective styling, twist out, braid out, and daily moisturizing. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, do you like cream detangler or do you like water base detangler like this one? Because as you can see, this one is lightweight. There is no butters inside of it, there is no oils inside of it, and so it's very lightweight. And this can be used on any hair type, like sensitive scalp, or it can be used on coily, natural hair, relaxed hair. It can use on all hair types, guys. Now that my hair is fully detangled, thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, for sharing, for commenting, and for subscribing to my channel. This is the amount of hair that I lost. See you in the next video.